Drones, balloons, and food delivery. Well, we have a lot going on in this month's innovation article, and we have Gabe back with us. Hi, Gabe.
Hey, Brandon. It's great to be here.
Great to have you here, Gabe. Well, do you use food delivery apps like Uber Eats, Gabe?
Yes. Should I expound on that?
Yes.
Answer?
What do you like about it?
Yes, I do use it. Actually, my wife is the one who is more familiar, more well-versed with the apps.
Yes.
Yeah, she has Food Panda and Uber Eats downloaded. Okay. I think there's other ones like Kangaroo or iRoo or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Anyway, a shout out to you guys too, even though I forget the name exactly of your company. But they're so convenient. I mean, we have food delivered by either Uber Eats or Panda at least twice a week.
Yeah, and you have kids, right? So that helps you, cuts out the time of fixing food.
And when it's raining outside, let me tell you something. You'd think that would be the best time to get food delivered to your house, but that's also the time when the people who are normally delivering the food decide they don't want to work.
Oh, so good to know.
Exactly. So you might get a notification saying, oh, we're not delivering right now. And it's thundering and pouring outside.
That makes sense.
So it should be convenient, but you know.
Watch out for that. Well, is there something new that you like to see with food delivery technology in the future?
Food delivery. Oh, what about helicopters that come and drop your food off at your house?
Or maybe a drone?
That's probably more realistic.
Yeah, since our article is also about drones, but not in that context, but that's great. You're merging it all together.
Yes.
So a drone or...
So like a drone...
I mean, you could fit a lot of food in a helicopter.
We can call it drone drop.
Hey, there you go.
Yeah, that's my patented name for my company, guys. Drone drop.
All right.
Don't even think about stealing it. That's a great idea, Brendan. Have the drones, they're not that big, right? And they deliver the food to your house.
That's right. That's right. There you go. So look out for Gabe's
They probably
drone.
do that already.
They probably
in like
do.
certain rich communities.
Yes.
Like in
maybe.
Dubai.
Maybe, but there's a lot of things to work out with the drones, so we'll wait to see what happens. Well, what do you think about drones and balloons delivering internet service? You want them delivering your food, but what about internet service?
Well, wow. Why not? I mean, this was completely new to me. It never crossed my mind. The lesson mentions these drones that not just go up over the city, but they can go way up into the stratosphere.
That's right, and especially I think it's helpful for remote areas.
Yeah,
right.
Exactly.
They don't have as much access to internet.
And the benefits of the internet, and we take for granted the internet, and we just think, okay, it's. How is it really benefiting my life? I mean, it's great, but often we just use it for kind of meaningless or not meaningless, but just stuff that's not really important. But we forget that the internet could actually be really beneficial to those who don't have access to it or who might have to pay for it usually. But now if it's being provided free for these remote areas, the possibilities, as they say, are endless.
That's right. Well, thanks for joining us for another segment of Insights. And write into us to let us know your thoughts about our innovation article. Write into us at advanced@studioclassroom.com, advanced@studioclassroom.com. See ya.